Introducing my brother. What's up, guys? This is CIA, and this is DJ Wilson, my little brother.
And I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. Well, I know that guy. I have a lot of letters. Well, not that much, but hope you enjoy this video. So let's start.
Okay. It's not my account. It's my brother's account. So, because I can't record it on my iPod for some reason.
Okay.
So, see ya. And by the way, this is how you tell who's playing. If you see someone with this, it's my brother. If you see someone with this, it's me.
Wait, you have that?
Here we go. This is my brother playing.
I'm not that good. Well, sort of.
His highest score is 2,303. My highest score is somewhere in 32,000. I'm not good.
Oh crap.
This is actually our first gaming vid. Sorry about the shaky cam.
I'm not that good. I don't care about the dang seal. I got pogo stick.
Oh. Okay, now it's my turn. See how far I get.
By the way, he's getting me coins, so I'm gonna be like super rich. No, I'm not bragging. I'm just saying.
That's not bragging. Ah. Boing.
Oh, it's farty shoes.
Yeah. Ooh, I can see the whole world up here.
Pogo stick.
Pogo stick.
I got jetpack. Good luck for me.
Oh, dang, it's a seal.
I love those things. Ah, you almost ran into a Clayton wall.
A Clayton wall?
Those walls are made of plates. Plates are extremely dangerous.
Yeah.
Don't go through the platey lines. They're too skinny.
Yeah.
Why do you have some skinny tan lines, dude? You're so skinny. I almost said kitty.
Kitty. Ow. Oh, dang, cop.
You died, man.
Oh, dang, I escaped.
Oh crap. You almost died. Oh, man. I just kind of did, so. Kinda. How's he get up there?
Yeah, he's such a fat cop.
How can he get up there? I mean, his belly would jiggle.
No. Alright, here it goes.
Let's see how far
Okay, this is my brother again.
I'll play like a second time.
We're only going up to 3 turns each. This is his second turn.
I'll get one more turn. Okay.
Dang, dog. You'll be beating it.
Dang, my face is so cheap.
Oh, yeah, cheesy too.
What?
Super cheesy face.
Oh, that means can I have a cheese slice with carbonara?
What's carbonara? Oh, it's my turn.
Okay,
Oh, dang, cop, what's up?
Get those farty
CIA playing again. Here
Oh,
you go.
crap. Oh,
And I'm never, ever, ow. I was about to say, I'm never, ever going to die.
my turn.
Come on, Isaac. I mean, DJ, what's it?
You said my fart face.
Oh.
Are those kind of like trapped?
Get the mystery box. Oh my gosh, how did you miss that?
I don't know. Maybe because those dang farty shoes.
Oh yeah, those dang farty shoes.
They cost too much cheap faces.
I know.
Dang, why do you have to be so all up in my dang
Grill.
face? I was about to
There I go.
Oh,
We found a solution for the shaky cam.
yeah, shaky cam. Don't worry, it's just too farty.
Oh, poop.
Okay, little
Okay, this time I'm never gonna die because I am like.
little kids, please do not watch this. Because it's too inappropriate.
How?
Well, we're saying, like, fart face.
No, I just said I'm never gonna die.
Watching everybody. This is DJ Wilson in CIA. You may have seen him in some of my videos.
Sure, you subscribe and like, and do down below the comments. So, hope you have a nice day. Bye. I love your eyeball.